fresh from a splashy swim and flashing a cheeky grin. Let's bring this cheeky crocodile to life using just a few simple shapes. Let's dive into this fun drawing adventure. I'm excited that together we can transform these lines into charming little crocodile. And rest assured, for a croc, this guy's surprisingly friendly and ready to make some new friends. Check it out! In just a few moments, we've got the basics down. Now let's dive into drawing those eyes and give our croc some serious personality. We can't forget that dazzling smile. It's what makes our croc stand out. And let's not overlook the snout that makes it all complete. Ever wonder what a crocodile's favorite dance move is? I believe it involves a lot of tail wagging. Let's keep adding those details to our friend here, and maybe see what kind of moves he'll show off. With all these awesome details now in place, how about you help me come up with a name for our cool friend? Share your name ideas in the comments. Let's find a name as cool as this croc's smile. Awesome job, little peep. You're on fire as always. This croc is looking so good. He's more than ready for a marker makeover. So let's give him one. As we go over the pencil sketch, watch how the lines and shapes really pop and give our friendly croc his final clean look. Let's make those lines really stand out. I heard that crocodiles can hold their breath underwater for up to an hour. Is that true? If so, they're basically the underwater champions of hide and seek. Remember, if you want to tweak something, go wild. Make this croc truly yours. There are no mistakes here, just a chance to learn and have a blast. I'm super happy with how this turned out. We did an awesome job together again. Now it's your turn to pick some colors and jazz up our cool drawing. Here's my take on it. And don't forget, if you want more free videos like this, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye.